Okay, so for my flipped classroom, I did first grade science, and I used the video. It's from Storybots, and it like tells the kids about like the planets and stuff. So I used that. The standard that I chose was identify and describe planet parts and their functions. The essential question I used are what are the names of the planets and the order of the planets. And then for my lowest level group, I call them the comets, and they're going to create a visual mnemonic device to remember the names of the planets. And then they're going to create like a poem, a song, or a saying. Um, and that's DOK level 1. And then the next group is the meteorites, and I'm going to have the students create a song and dance about the order and the names of the planets, and they're going to have to record it, and that's how they're going to present it, and that's also a DOK level 1. The next group that I did is the asteroids, and they're going to have to create a 2D visual representation of the solar system. The students will have to use some technology to create it. And then the satellites are the last and final group. They're going to have to create a 3D visual representation of the solar system, but they are not allowed to use technology. They can only use household items to create their solar systems, and that's a DOK level 2. And that is it.